Hello traders, Gary Wagner with the Gold Forecast. It is November the 24th, Wednesday, about 10 o'clock here in Honolulu, Hawaii, and this is the Daily Report. Gold currently trading off about $3 this morning, currently trading at $13.72 to $13.73. On this edition of the Daily Report, we will look at various resistance points, talk about our strategy for the upcoming week. This is a shortened trading week, or expected to be a much more quiet trading week, as the United States prepares for Thanksgiving tomorrow. As we take a look at gold as it currently trades, I think it's quite evident that we have defined a fairly wide band, a trading band, in which it is pretty easy to say that we absolutely have support at 1330, but we also absolutely have resistance at 1380. As seen by this Fibonacci retracement, this 23% level that we've talked about, I believed would provide some resistance as the market attempts to drive itself higher. This obviously seems to be the case, as we've had at least tentatively 2 days now in which we have not been able to breach this 1380 top. To take a more detailed look at the marketplace in terms of straight resistance and support levels, I go to a 240-minute chart. This, of course, has each candle weighing in at 4 hours each, so it gives us a little bit more detail. Now, I've created a Fibonacci retracement from this high at 1424 to the bottom at 1330. And what I find interesting is the 50% level on that comes out to 1377. So you can see that that matches up quite nicely with that 1380 that we looked at on our daily chart. And as you can see, we also find resistance in this particular area. Steve Nissan calls this a scouting party. A scouting party is one in which, a bullish scouting party I should say, is one in which, as the market trades higher, as we reach resistance points, the bulls will go ahead and they will actually test the fortitude of the bearish constituents right in here. And if we can get a close above this point here, we get what we call a beachhead. In other words, it creates a beachhead and thereby creates support in that area. We have certainly not seen that yet, but for this market to move higher, it absolutely needs to, on a closing basis, over the next couple of days, take this particular area, the 1377 to 1380 area, take that out as resistance and create a floor. In other words, have it become a layer of support. Traders, although only midweek, we are looking at a weekly chart currently, and the one thing that I did want to point out is that we have actually seen some very nice gains in the marketplace over this last week. That's this candle right in here. The other thing that I find interesting and absolutely worth noting is that we have had a slow but steady acceleration in volume, and volume in terms of the pace has also picked up. I want to wish all those in the United States and the mainland a very, very happy Thanksgiving. I want to wish all of my international subscribers the same. We all have so much to be thankful for. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading, and we will talk to you on Friday for the Daily Report and the Weekend Review. Bye-bye.